Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho CRM for showing follow-ups and nurture campaigns step by step clearly. To activate Zoho CRM for showing follow-ups and nurture campaigns, begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. On your dashboard, navigate to the settings icon located at the top right corner. Under the customization section, select modules. Locate and click on leads to configure lead follow-up settings. In the Leads module, find the follow-up option and click to edit it. Set a default follow-up reminder time suitable for your sales process. Next, to create nurture campaigns, go back to the Settings page. Select the Automation tab, then choose Workflows. Click on Create Workflow to set up a new campaign. Name your workflow, and select the module you want to associate with the nurture campaign. Define the trigger for the workflow, such as when a lead is created or modified. After setting the trigger, define the actions that will take place within the campaign. These can include sending emails, assigning tasks, or creating follow-up reminders. Once all actions are configured, review your workflow settings for accuracy. Save the workflow by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now, your Zoho CRM is set up to show follow-ups and nurture campaigns effectively. You can monitor follow-ups through the Activities tab in each lead's profile. Regularly check your dashboard to ensure all campaigns are running smoothly. Consider scheduling periodic reviews of your workflows to optimize performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.